How to fix automatic brightness on Instagram. First things first, there's no immediate button that you can just choose and press on Instagram for the issue to be fixed. The very first troubleshooting step that you want to do is to open up your Google Play Store or where you can download applications to. And here, look for Instagram. This is just making sure that your Instagram application is running the latest version possible. If your Instagram is updated to its latest version and won't fix the issue, then here's how. So you go to your phone settings, scroll down a bit, then go into display and brightness. So if you scroll down from the brightness level, you can see that there is automatic brightness that is turned on. Now, if it is currently turned on, you can turn it off or just simply adjust the specific brightness that you currently have on your phone. To fix the issue, just simply turn off automatic brightness and then you're good to go. So that is how you fix automatic brightness on Instagram.